હેલો મિત્રો, દરેકનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે। મિત્રો ધોરણ 10 યુનિટ નંબર 3 ઇન્ટરવ્યુ વિથ અરુણ કૃષ્ણમૂર્તિ, જેની અંદર આપણે શરૂઆત કરીએ છીએ C.4 થી। મિત્રો અન્ય વિષયના અથવા તો પછી ઇંગ્લિશના તમારે કોઈ પણ ક્વેશ્ચન અથવા તો સ્વાધ્યાય લખવાનું બાકી છે તો એ પણ તમારે જે છે દરેક આપણી ચેનલ પર ઉપલબ્ધ છે, તો ચેનલ પર જઈને જોઈ લેશો। મિત્રો પહેલો પ્રશ્ન છે, વિચ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન ડીડ અરુણ ફાઉન્ડ એટ ધ એજ ઓફ 17? Answer: Arun founded the Environmentalist Foundation of India at the age of 17. Question 2. What were Arun's parents like? Arun's parents were very supportive and understood that he was interested in environment. મિત્રો વિડીયો સારો લાગતો હોય તો લાઈક, કોમેન્ટ અને શેર પણ કરી દેશો। Question 3. What according to Arun should we answer? Answer: According to Arun, we should ensure that lakes and water bodies are free of garbage so that birds and animals, frogs and snakes can live in peace. Question 4. What did Arun and his team to do protected themselves from dust? Answer: Arun and his team wear nose masks and sanitary gloves to protect themselves from dust. Question 5. How much time should school-going children devote for environmental causes? Answer: School-going children should devote 2 hours on Saturday and 2 hours Sunday for an environmental cause. Question 6. What hurt Arun badly? And what did he decide then? Answer: A beautiful house next to his house was heavily polluted, leading to spread of mosquitoes and had turned it into an ugly place. This hurt Arun badly. He decided to clean the lake with a couple of his friends. Question 7. How did Arun's parents and teachers encourage Arun in his drive for environment? Arun's parents always supported him and guided him. They never stopped him from doing what he wanted. Arun's teacher taught him humility and simplicity. They caused him to keep learning all the time. Question 8. Why does Arun believe that he is an environmentalist and not an activist? Arun keeps on learning to so much from the environment, and his work protects the environment, so he believes that he is an environmentalist and not an activist. મિત્રો આ પ્રમાણે તમારા જે પ્રશ્નો હતા, હવે આગળના પ્રશ્નો તમને આ વિડીયો ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાંથી અથવા તો ચેનલના પ્લેલિસ્ટમાંથી મળી જશે।